The science of sleep. Did you know that staying awake for just 17 hours can affect your brain as much as being legally drunk? Yet millions of people sacrifice sleep every night without realizing the damage they're doing. So, what actually happens when you sleep? While you think you're doing nothing, your body begins one of the most important jobs of the day. Your muscles repair themselves, damaged cells are replaced, hormones are balanced, and your immune system becomes stronger. Your brain gets even busier. It sorts everything you learned during the day, stores important memories, removes useless information, and even washes away harmful waste that builds up while you're awake. That's why a good night's sleep helps you think clearly and remember things better. But what happens if you don't get enough sleep? After just one night of poor sleep, your focus drops, your reaction time slows, and your mood becomes unstable. Sleep less than 6 hours regularly, and the risks become much bigger. Your immune system weakens. Your body produces more stress hormones. You become more likely to gain weight because the hormones that control hunger become unbalanced. Your memory gets worse. Learning becomes harder, and your chances of developing heart disease, diabetes, anxiety, and depression increase over time. Now here's something surprising. Sleeping too much isn't healthy either. Regularly sleeping more than 9 or 10 hours can leave you feeling tired, reduce your physical activity, cause headaches, and may even be a sign of an underlying health problem. The goal isn't sleeping as long as possible. It's sleeping the right amount. So how much sleep do you actually need? Children need around 9 to 12 hours. Teenagers need 8 to 10 hours. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours every night. And remember, quality matters just as much as quantity. Want better sleep? Go to bed at the same time every night. Avoid caffeine late in the day. Stop using your phone at least 30 minutes before bed. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. These simple habits can completely change the quality of your sleep. Sleep isn't a waste of time. It's when your body heals, your brain becomes smarter, and your future self gets stronger. So tonight, don't trade your sleep for one more episode or one more hour of scrolling. Your body will thank you tomorrow.